Want this shiny shader? Well, keep watching. It's really simple. First, you will need CapCut. Free. Get the video you just imported. Flip it upside down. Now watch what I'm doing. Then click Splice. Using overlay makes it a nice shader, but I recommend soft because .it gives it a glossy look. Guys, I almost forgot. You have to mirror the overlay. Fixing mine up a bit. For me 81 is great for the soft splice. Results. Hint: this video will be in a upcoming vid.